Welcome on YouTube, you know it's your boy Clickman, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today, I thought, why not change it up, try a challenge. So today, what I got for you guys is the try not to laugh challenge. Honestly, I don't find most things funny. I think I say funny things sometimes, but other than that, I don't really find most people funny. And even myself, I think I say stuff and around my friend group, I'm serious and people think it's funny. I don't know why, but that's what we're doing today, man. We're trying not to laugh. Guys, if you're new to the channel, man, don't forget to hit the sub button, turn on post notifications, and if you vibe with the video, man, drop a like. And tell me which one of these things would I got you, man. We're going to get right into it. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Go. Do you have
That's not a laugh. Is that a cat? Cats are so dumb. Oh my god. What is this, a car wash? Why did he do that?
Go.
What is wrong with this
You're
man?
an idiot.
I mean, that is true.
There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't count that as a laugh. I just, took a deep breath. I don't know why she splashed into the water like that. That was a little intense. Honestly, I was gonna laugh just now, but not because of the guy, just because of that person's laugh. That was just funny. Wait, that doesn't count. What if? Damn, the kids just roasted him.
Oh my god!
That's a lucky ass shot.
Did you get that on video?
We got that, a double
You get that
whammy.
on video? Oh shit! He slapped his head so hard.
Help me. Help me.
Shortest drive of the day.
Oh shit! I say he's too strong, man. Call him Thor. Oh my god, bro! Why did she fall? Why did she fall down the slide like that? What's wrong with this lady? Don't let that cape fool you. Oh. Some of this shit is just like, oh, hell no. That ain't even funny. Get that shit out of here, boy.
Strong? Yeah. Alright.
Fucked up. Whoop. Yeah, brother. That's not how you do that. Ow. Honestly, these are more painful to watch, I should say. They're not that funny.
Say not as I do.
What the fuck? Oh, that sucks, bro. Honestly, I'd be so embarrassed. Just imagine it's like your kid's birthday party, and you're trying to enjoy the rides with them and whatnot, and you're like, let me get not the rides, obviously the what do you call those things again? I don't even remember. Play places. And then you just fall through for like 3 stories. Like that would be so embarrassing. And the other parents are just gonna look at you like, damn, man. That one definitely caught me. I don't know why. Again, these are painful, but I don't know why I'm laughing. That's kind of like fucked. Zumba. I mean, you landed. Right? You landed. Bro. That is not funny. I don't know if you guys have ever gone on any type of ride like that before, but in Ocherius, Jamaica, Ochi, there's a There's a ride like that. Let me tell you, your neck will be snapping left, right, center. That shit hurts, bro. That is not funny. And especially if they're going fast, you're gonna hit the water like it's concrete. That's just not funny. Oh, that sucks. Again, that is not funny. That fucking sucks. That's a lot of hard work. This is dangerous. Okay. Ow. Yo, honestly, as soon as some of these clips start going, I already know. Painful.
I'll twist it off and you put your finger in? Yeah.
You have it.
Oh, with the jump.
Oh, you know what I mean? Like, bro, just imagine, like, the whiplash alone. The whiplash alone is enough for me. Then you have to hit the water like it's concrete. You heard that shit? Nah, man. And it's winter? Sign me out. Get the hell out of my car, bro. I don't know why people think this shit is cute. I'm not. Nah. Dangerous, again. And I guess the pillow is the protection. Kids are wild, fam. Oh my god. Okay, that's not bad. I thought he was gonna slap the board. Bro, these are not like uncontrolled. Like, it's a soft series. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Ow. Again, it's more about the pain. Oh shit. I'll admit there's some definite funny ones in there. Like, that shit is funny as fuck. Again, painful, but one and two are funny. But for the most part, it's just like almost I don't know. As I said, man, like everything is not. I don't find a lot of things funny. You know what I mean?
I definitely don't want to be
No.
that one girl that
Oh, how was that gonna be funny? What part of that would have been funny? Oh, what reminds me of this too, bro? Do you know how to speak? What this reminds me of is when I had a roommate back in uni, and I would come home from I would come back to the dorm from practice, and he would be watching, like he'd just be dying of laughter, and then I'd like be like, "Yo, what the hell's so funny?" or whatever, and he shows me the videos he's watching, and it's literally people getting ran over by cars and getting hit by cars in the street. Yeah, man, so humor is different to everybody, I guess. Ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think I laughed, like, honest laughs, like maybe three.
Charlie.
Like, you know? Just keep it 100. Oh, whoa. Yo, what do people, why do people like to fuck with water like that? Is somebody under the tree?
You were right in there.
This nigga thought he was doing XX tricky. Is this guy joking?
Oh my gosh, my man's plotting on me right here.
Oh shit, that's Canelo.
My man.
That's
hey, I don't
Canelo,
want
bro. You
no
guys remember
smoke
Canelo?
with your partner.
Bro, cats are strange.
Now what'd you
I don't care.
My finger to my shoe.
Don't fall. Bro, I'm not in for this thing. Again, some dangerous shit. You see what I mean, bro? Like,
Stop. You're an idiot.
Johnny's an idiot. She's right. That dog must be dying. What the fuck? She thought she was gonna land that triple axle? Yeah, right. Hold that wall. It's not a seesaw, fam. It's not. It's just not. That dog is not happy. Dogs are so silly. You get what you give. Blessings. I don't know what the fuck he was trying to do. Yeah, honestly, I actually wanted to. What is that called? No, it's not sandboarding. Whatever the hell that is. I wanted to try it, but with all these injuries that I've been seeing in this video, I ain't doing this.
Freaking a lot, you guys. Ernest!
Ernest out dizzied himself. My nigga, you're telling me you trained for this shit? And that's what you just ended up with? Bro, just imagine this is his graduation, right? Like, say he's getting some next belt and he invites his whole family here to watch this shit. And that's what he does. Oh my god. I don't care if he's my brother. I'm roasting him.
I think I messed up. This is right. Oh god! Oh! That's so bad. Help! Oh no!
What the fuck is it? That nigga scared of kites? Scared of heights? And kites? Like, what's wrong with this guy, bro? Just grab the kite. But you see what I'm saying? That's what looks so dangerous. There goes that water thing again. Hold on, yeah. But this shit is dangerous, man. It looks fun. Yeah, man.
Derek glued his finger to his face. Grace, help Derek. Hey,
That's not funny.
Derek, your son got his finger stuck to his face.
We're definitely gonna have to do a part 2, part 3, part 4 of these series because I want to see if one of these videos will actually have me dying the whole time. As I said, this one was like about pain and all that shit, and it's a little like painful to watch type of thing. But guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop a like, post notifications, turn that on, man. Sub up, man. I'll see you guys later.